The AH-64E Apache is one of America's deadliest attack helicopters, and its training at Fort Bliss, Texas, shows why Russia should be worried. US soldiers practice loading, refueling, and live-fire exercises, proving the Apache is always ready. With Hellfire missiles, rockets, and a 30mm cannon, it's designed to destroy tanks and armored positions, exactly what Ukraine faces daily. At Selfridge Air Base, US airmen load weapons and gear onto a C-17 Globemaster III for rapid deployment. These giant transport planes deliver weapons and aid across Europe, keeping Ukraine supplied. In training, crews prepare A-10 Thunderbolt II aircraft, famous for shredding tanks with their massive cannon. The exercise proves America's agile combat employment, moving quickly, setting up and supporting allies anywhere. In Czechia, Ukrainian troops undergo intensive mechanized infantry training led by NATO instructors. They learn to fight using Western tactics, vehicles, and coordination with artillery and drones. The US strongly supports these programs, ensuring Ukraine's forces become more skilled and battle-ready.
And we are just here to help the Ukrainians, show them how to drive infantry vehicles, how to operate crew weapons, how to shoot mortars. The important thing is that we still got and possess skills that we are able to operate Russian type style vehicles, infantry fighting vehicles, and they are
Russia expected Ukraine to be weak, but now it faces NATO-trained soldiers armed with Western knowledge. Every Ukrainian graduate brings back stronger tactics to the front lines, proof that NATO unity makes Ukraine far tougher than Russia imagined. At Nellis Air Base, the US loads GBU-38 smart bombs onto F-15E Strike Eagles during Red Flag, one of the toughest air combat exercises. These jets excel at both air-to-air and ground strikes, making them versatile weapons of war. While Ukraine doesn't have them, NATO training ensures Ukrainian pilots and forces benefit from Western tactics. Russia knows these aircraft can break through defenses and destroy key targets, meaning America's readiness directly strengthens Ukraine's war effort. The F-35B Lightning II is the most advanced stealth fighter in the world. US Marines train it for short takeoff and vertical landings, preparing it for rapid deployment anywhere, including Europe. While Ukraine doesn't fly F-35s, America's exercises guarantee NATO air dominance that Russia can't match. The jet's stealth, precision-guided weapons, and advanced sensors give it an edge over outdated Russian aircraft.